Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ball joints on a Toyota Tundra. First, gather all your tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a specialized ball joint press. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your truck is securely supported on those stands. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves. We'll cover each step to help you confidently tackle this repair. Now, let's get to the removal process. Start by loosening your lug nuts, then safely lift your Tundra and remove the wheel. Carefully detach the brake caliper and hang it securely to avoid stressing the brake line. Next, you'll need to separate the steering knuckle from both the upper and lower ball joints. Finally, use your ball joint press to extract the old, worn-out ball joint from its housing. With the old ball joint out, it's time for the new one. First, meticulously clean the housing to ensure a smooth fit. Then, using your ball joint press, carefully press the new ball joint into its proper position. It's crucial to ensure it's seated completely and correctly. Some new ball joints come pre-greased, but if yours doesn't, apply a thin layer of appropriate grease before final assembly. To finish up, reattach the steering knuckle to your newly installed ball joints, ensuring all nuts are tightened to specification. Reinstall the brake caliper, making sure all bolts are secure. Mount your wheel, lower the vehicle, and torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended setting. Remember, a professional wheel alignment is highly recommended after this repair to ensure proper handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.